hope you are doing great. Guys, today I'm here to present reliable and unbiased piece of information about website builder reviews. So guys, are you ready to grasp the information and are you excited to fill your cup of knowledge with something unique? Then you have to stay tuned with me and watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, in today's digital world, website is a virtual shop from where you can buy, sell stuff. You can explore the market virtually. For that, in few minutes. And how come you need website for it? And now you can get your personal, minimized, customized website, and without any credit card. For that you need to explore website builder. You can select your images, what images you want in your website, what content you want in your website, what are the information regarding shop, blog, contact information in your website, pictures in your website, and you can easily create the perfect website in few minutes. For that you need to create your free site. No credit card is required. It's very awesome and easy as per the information. Try it first and then decide. The site says we instantly create a perfect design. Their intelligent builder, website builder, does all the heavy lifting to create a personalized site just for the users. Just you need to answer a few short questions and it will choose the right layout and pull in beautiful images and then even start your content. They also have the real life customer examples in the website. For example, the My Bakery is given like it's nice to meet you, and write something here to introduce yourself to the audience. Write your business hours, tell about yourself in the website. It depends upon the user to user and the website holder. So guys, before moving ahead, do like and subscribe to our channel as it will motivate us to perform better and give you immense information about the website builder. So guys, now how to review and make it your own website. This is an important thing and you will going to get it here. Fun thing you need to do is keep what works, change what doesn't. As the website says, put a few finishes on it to truly make it your own customized website. This website make it simple to return and edit pages later on. For example, is the women's SF running shoes the site has done. It says about the running shoes, the information. For making your website, the site says you need to share your ideas and grow your brand, because it is very important in the website to grow your brand, to tell about your brand. As website spokes about your brand, it tells what are you doing, what are you up to, and how will you going to attain customers by the particular beautiful images which your website is holding, the content your website is holding. That is important. So the site looks awesome on any device. That is super fast to help you get noticed by Google. They make it easy to update and expand without the need for specialized technical knowledge. Once your site is published, they provide all the tools to grow. They help you get traffic and engage your visitors. The second thing, with the website builder is helping users, they get traffic, people for you, and engage visitors. Guys, if you wanted to start selling online, they got you covered. They create a store and still start selling online. If you wanted to have your online venture as per the reports, you wanted to open your online store because offline store in the pandemic is not at all the best option to start your venture. You can go ahead with online business. For that you need to have a website, and website builder make for easy for you. They say whether you sell songs, put pet setting or custom clothing, they power your business. They give you all the tools to sell, accept credit card payments and manage your online business. You need to handle sales tax, order fulfillment, inventory, product category, shipping and more. They give you all the assistance. If you wanted to know more about them, you can check it out. Their social pages also, which is available on Facebook, Instagram and many of them. For getting started, how it works, features, email marketing, online store, domain, click on the button. You can learn more about support, pricing, login. You can get to know about the terms of service, information, but they do not sell, my information. And you can easily follow them on Facebook and Twitter as they're available with their pages and their followers are there. They're going to tell you about how website will and sharpen your ideas into reality. So if you guys wanted to have your own online business, you can, as per your convenience, you can contact and you can explore websitebuilder.com. So guys, yes, if you like the information and found it helpful, do like, share, comment, and for the latest news and updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys for being such a warm audience. Be informative, be safe, and take a wise decision always.